setting up our Arctis 7 gaming headset. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The Arctis 7 comes with a micro USB charging cable, a wireless transmitter, and a mobile cable. To set up your Arctis 7 for PC or Mac, you'll need the wireless transmitter. First, you'll connect your wireless transmitter into your PC or Mac. If you want to connect your Arctis 7 to your PlayStation 4, connect your wireless transmitter into your console. To power your headset on, press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. You'll hear a tone and the power button will illuminate. If you want to connect your headset to your mobile phone or Xbox, simply use the 4-pole 3.5mm extension cable. Your Arctis 7 already comes paired to your transmitter, but if you need to pair it again, press and hold the transmitter pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED begins blinking rapidly. With the headset off, press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. Next, you'll want to be sure Engine is installed and updated. If you need to charge your Arctis 7, simply use the micro USB charging cable by plugging it into your headset and your PC. To mute your mic, simply press the button. If the mute button is out, it is muted. To change your volume, scroll the dial on the left ear cup to adjust. If you would like to see more tutorials on the Arctis series, such as using chat mix, please visit support.steelseries.com.